it's Jade. Today I'm going to make Korean style steamed eggplant. It's very tasty and easy to make. I hope you like it. Let's get started.
First, slice the eggplant lengthwise. Set up a rack with water in a pot. Then place the eggplant on the rack and put the lid on. Bring the water to a boil. Once it's boiled, turn the heat to medium, then simmer the eggplant for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the dressing. Mince spring onion, garlic, red chili, in a bowl, add garlic, red chili, spring onion, white sesame seeds, salt, soy sauce, sesame oil. Then mix well. Now we can turn the heat off. Once the eggplant is done, remove it from the pot and drain off the excess water from the eggplant that accumulated from steaming. Drizzle the dressing over it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.